Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook tracking location. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Facebook application in your mobile, and when you are here, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy. Then tap on this settings, and here you have to scroll down until you see this off Facebook activity. So just simply tap on it. Tap on this continue here. If you want to turn off activity tracking for some sites, you could do so under View and Manage Activity. But to turn off all history, you have to click on this Clear Previous Activity. Tap on it and then tap on this Clear. You have to tap on this Clear Previous Activity and your all previous activity will be cleared. Now go back and then tap on this Manage Future Activity, and you have to tap on this Disconnect Future Activity, and now you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.